The product of two consecutive even numbers is 528. What are the numbers? Before we solve the problem, we need to understand the problem very well. Product means when you multiply two numbers, two or more numbers, the result that you get, in this case, two numbers, the result that you get is the product. Now, what is the meaning of consecutive? Consecutive means something to follow each other. In this case, we are told that the numbers that follow each other are even numbers. What are even numbers? Even numbers are numbers that are divisible by 2 without remainder. Example, 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. So now we are going to look for two numbers that are even numbers that follow each other in such a way that when you multiply them, the two numbers that follow each other, two even numbers that follow each other, when you multiply them, you're going to get 528. I know some of you that are smart can guess the two numbers, but as mathematicians, you don't just guess. You need to show your workings. You need to show the steps. You need to think and solve it mathematically. Let the first even number equals to x. Let it be x. That is the smaller even number. Let it be x. And the second even number, let it be x plus 2. Since you know that the difference between the first even number and the second even number is always 2. So the question says the product of the two even numbers. So we're going to have x multiplied by x plus 2 equals 528. Now you have to open the bracket using what you have outside the bracket to multiply each of the term in the bracket. So we have x times x, that is x squared, x times 2, that is 2x. The sign before x is plus. The sign before this x is plus. So you say plus times plus, plus x times x, x squared. The sign before this x is plus, and this plus before 2. So plus times plus, plus x times 2, 2x. So we have 528. Now let's bring all the terms to one side. We have x squared plus 2x minus 528 equals 0. You look at it. In this video, I'm going to use quadratic formula to solve this problem. But before writing the formula, I want to show you something. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. This a represents the coefficient of x squared. This b represents the coefficient of x. And c is our constant. So, to use the quadratic formula, just write out the value of a according to what we have here. Our a is 1. B is 2. YC equal minus 5 to 8. Then the quadratic formula 6 equals to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac everything over 2a. The next step is to plug in the values into this formula. Where you have a in the formula, just put 1. Where you have b, put 2. When you have C, put minus 5 to 8. Then that's what I did here. Minus 2, 2 square, that is B square. Then 4, A is 1. Then C is minus 5 to 8 over 2. Then our A, which is 1. Then minus 4 times 1 is going to give you 4. Minus 4 times minus 5 to 8. Minus 5 to 8. Minus times minus, you're going to get plus. Then 4 times 5 to 8, you're going to get 212. 4 plus 2112 is going to give us 2116. So we have minus 2 plus minus square root 2116. Everything over 2. What is the square root of 2116? Now wasting our time. The square root of 2116 is 46. We're going to have 46 over 2. So from here, our roots, that is the result, that is the answers to the quadratic equation, is going to be minus 2 plus or minus 2 plus 46 over 2, or minus 2 minus 46 over 2. Negative 2, positive 46, that is minus 2 plus 46. We're going to have 44 over 2, or negative 2, negative 46, have negative 48 over 2. 44 divided by 2, have 22, or 20 minus 24. Choose the positive number, that is 22. So if the smaller number, the smaller even number, which is x, is 22, so the second even number is going to be 22 plus 2. It's going to give us 24. Therefore, the two consecutive numbers are 22 and 24. So if you want to confirm your answer, just multiply 22 times 24, which is going to give you 528. So you want to be good at mathematics, you have to do it yourself and use many methods as possible to arrive at the same answer. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe for more videos.